This motion was the last line of defense. Just days away from jury selection and the start of trial, Aiden Fucci's attorneys asked for a continuance. It's based on the state asking for a 6-person jury, but the defense wants 12. It didn't get far.
When you reduce it from as charged, or reduce the number of jurors from 12 to 6, the number of current juries are reduced also.
That's not correct.
If your client is facing a life sentence, then he is still entitled to 10 peremptory challenges.
The defense filed a motion to the 5th District Court of Appeals. The 5th DCA asked for a response from the Attorney General in 20 days and would allow an extra 10 days for the defense to reply.
But the bottom line is, in order for them to, they would have to certify conflict with Wallen, which then means it would then have to go up to the Supreme Court. I would imagine that the state would then appeal it, so then we're looking at extending this trial and not being able to conduct this trial for quite a long time, and I'm just not willing to do that.
The defense argued this isn't something that takes years to resolve and says it's not something the DCA is taking lightly. The state says the defense didn't file this as what's called an emergency writ, and the defense acknowledged that.
So the state's now identifying that there's an error in defense counsel's filing before the 5th DCA is not identifying this as an emergency writ, and not identifying that jury selection would be on the Monday. So rather than compound the error on counsel's work and pick a jury, I'm asking the court to stay the proceedings in light of what the 5th DCA is doing at this time with their review.
The judge denied the motion, saying there's no harm to Fucci by going to trial now. He told the attorneys to get their jury instructions to him by Friday, and jury selection would start Monday.